The best 23 mental health quotes. Digital addiction is going to be one of the great mental health crises of our time. Learning to ignore things is one of the great paths to inner peace. If you want to create a depressed population, I couldn't think of a better way than our modern society, 24/7 news cycle, addiction to social media, inflammatory foods, no sun, sedentary lifestyle. It's not a coincidence that mental health issues are on the rise. The ultimate list of biohacks and smart drugs: drink more water, get 8 hours of sleep, walk outside in the sun, leave your phone on silent, read a few pages each day, eat more vegetables and greens, don't hang out with toxic people, work on projects you care about. All my life, my heart has sought a thing I cannot name. The mind is its own place, and in itself can make a heaven of hell, a hell of heaven. And allow yourself to be sad, to be depressed. Think of it like an emptying. Those feelings are the emotions leaving your body. But don't indulge your feelings, don't give them more significance or more fuel than they already have. Sobriety is a myth, you always find a new addiction. What mental health needs is more sunlight, more candor, more unashamed conversation about illnesses that affect not only individuals, but their families as well. We have so many drugs now, electronic and chemical, that most of us are junkies most of the time. Your trauma creates you. More drugs are taken to quiet the mind than to heal the body. There is no shame in admitting that you fucked up. You are probably not the first person in your family to experience depression. You may be the first one to acknowledge it. Persistent, non-specific anxiety is the result of wanting so much, talking so much, and doing so much that you lose touch with the quiet joys of solitude. Depression is a liar. Anxiety is a deceiver. PTSD is a trickster. As we heal, we gain more clarity. My number one priority in life, above my happiness, above my family, above my work, is my own health. It starts with my physical health. Second, it's my mental health. Third, it's my spiritual health. Then, it's my family's health. Then, it's my family's well-being. After that, I can go out and do whatever I need to do with the rest of the world. The largest part of what we call personality is determined by how we've opted to defend ourselves against anxiety and sadness. Identification with our mind causes thought to become compulsive. Don't expect inner peace if you still hate your past.